had to get this off. Oh no. Oh, there we go. I got it! Hey! My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing really quick of the Squeeze Water Filtration System. I plan on doing a test video of how to actually use this at another day. So today we're just doing the unboxing part, if I can. Hey. So this is what it looks like on the inside here. You can see we got all types of fun caps and little rubber things here, and this, I'm not too sure what any of this is. Oh, this is the Sawyer Cleaning Plunger is what this says here. Not for medical use. And then this is the actual Sawyer thing here, so let me pull this out. Okay, so it does look like it comes with extra rubber items which go in this hole here, you can see. So this is actually an easy thing. So what you do is you basically fill up a 2-liter and you can screw it onto here, and then you basically squeeze it in order to filter the water, and it comes out this cap. So this is like another bottle cap, and it'll just come out there because the flow goes this direction. And you can see here, let me show you up close what it looks like. So this is it. This costs about $40 online. It's not cheap by any means, but you know what, for the Grand Canyon, this is what I need. So you can see here that it just shows Sawyer on it, and I don't know if you can see that there. So it shows Sawyer on it. It just shows that the flow of the water is supposed to go, you know, this way. Basically, you can see the arrow there showing you the flow of the water goes this way through the tube and out this cap here. So it does come with a covering cap here, so you can close this, stick the cap on to keep the dust out, and then what you do is you screw on some type of like 2-liter or something along those lines here on this end in order to filter water, if that makes sense. So it actually comes with bottles itself. It comes with a large 2-liter bottle for the Squeeze Water Filtration System. Shows you how to use it. To use, it just says uncap, oh, excuse me, unscrew the cap filter from the bladder, fill the bag with water, aka from a lake or a stream in the Grand Canyon, perhaps. Screw the cap back on the cap filter, wipe off any dirty water from the bag, open the push-pull valve on the cap filter, squeeze the bag and dispense, or suck on the push-pull valve. So basically what you do, just like I was saying, you attach a bag like this. I've already got a 2-liter that I use, as you've seen, the platypus, and you screw it onto here like so, and then after this is full of water, of course, you screw it onto here, and then you simply squeeze this bag in order to push the water through the filter, and then it'll come out this cap, if that makes sense. And then your water is filtered through there. Kind of cool, huh? It looks like it comes with 2 sized bags. So this is a smaller bag. This appears to be 32 ounces, which is 1 liter. And then this one, oh, they're both 32 ounces. Okay, so they're both 32 ounce bags, which are 1 liter bags. I thought one of them was larger, excuse me. And then it looks like it comes with just a mesh bag in order to carry everything in. So this is actually pretty nice. It just says Sawyer there on it. So, oops, never mind. This product is made in China. You can see it says Sawyer there. And then it has some additional stuff, you know, like this tube. I'm not too sure what this is for. And then here's all the extra caps. I'm not too sure what all these are for as well. And then I think this ring is the same thing that goes in here, you know, if this one gets dirty or if it starts getting worn out. So you get an extra one that you can easily stick in there. And then I don't know what all these are. So it looks like this is a screw cap for, I'm not too sure. And then this looks like something similar. And then these are just regular bottle caps to water. And I think it's just for these, you know. So if you just wanted to carry extra water, say from a stream or a lake, you can just screw it on there and carry it with you until you're ready to filter the water. So the key is you don't drink straight from these unless the water's already filtered, right? And you know, I assume they give you 2 of them, because what you can do is you can use one, screw it onto here, and then you can filter into the other one. You see what I'm saying? So you can filter clean water into one, you know, while you're doing it. If that makes sense. So yeah, I mean, this appears to be a really nice system. You know, it comes with all these different bags and caps, and I'm not too sure what this type of thing is, but it seems like the instructions are, so it says the kit includes a filter, a cleaning plunger, which is what we saw, 2 32-ounce pouches, 2 1-liter bags, inline hydration pack adapter. Now that's interesting. I'm not too sure how that works. Mesh bag with hanging loop and gravity tube. Okay. So this is the gravity tube is what it says. And I wonder if you're supposed to like use this as part of the adapter. You know what I mean? I'm honestly, I'm not too sure. This is kind of confusing. Whoops. And of course now I can't get it off, so you know, whatever. Oh crap. Now I can't get it off. Okay. I mean, it fits on there nicely, but it does not come off very nicely. Holy cow. But this is just a gravity tube, I guess. I'm not too sure, so I don't know. So we'll have to see what all this does once I can get this off. I may just have to cut it off. Hey boy, great job, Jillian. Or use some type of knife or something to get it off. But I think I got this stuck on there, so. Anyway, so that's it. I just wanted to show this is the main thing here, right? If you have 2-liter bags, or if you already have some type of bag system that you like to bring, I'm just planning on adding this to my Grand Canyon pack, you know? So you can see in here, once you unscrew the cap, there's really nothing to it. It's just a little tiny output valve. And that's it. I mean, this is the whole shebang. So anyway, so thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. I do plan on making another video where I actually test this in order to see how it works, etc. So thank you so much for joining me right now for this unboxing video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can follow me on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, I gotta get this off. Oh no. Oh, there we go. I got it. Hey. Oh wow, that really sticks in there. And I feel like I was stretching out this part of the tube. It just kept stretching and stretching and stretching until it popped off. But be careful. I'm not too sure how this is supposed to work with because you can see these caps screw together, but you know, be careful.